Are you tired of Black History Month only being about buses, boycotts, and basketball? Yeah, me too. But don't worry, I got you covered. Welcome back. I'm a woke black teacher, and if you're new here, we talk about teaching, tech, and black history. If any of that sounds interesting to you, consider subscribing. Now, these writing prompts are going to be perfect for grades K through 2. So if you teach grades 3 through 5, stick around to the end of the video. I'm gonna show you where you can go to get some information about how you can do this in your classroom too. Prompt number 1, why do we only celebrate Black History Month? You can ask your kids why we only celebrate Black History in February and why we don't do a better job of celebrating it all throughout the year. Prompt number 2, what is racism and is it over? Don't be afraid if you teach kindergarten to tackle this subject. I promise you, if kids can tell the difference between red, blue, and green, they can definitely tell the difference between black and white. In fact, a lot of science shows that we actually start understanding how our race impacts us and how it makes us different as early as 5 years old. So don't be afraid, your kids can handle it and they'll thank you for it later. Prompt number 3, what would life be like if America didn't have any black people? Now, to begin that part of the lesson, you could really go big picture, say there would be no President Obama, there wouldn't be any LeBron James, and there wouldn't be any Beyonce. But you could even go a little bit deeper and take it local. For example, if there were no black people in America, in my district alone, we wouldn't have a superintendent, my kids wouldn't have a principal, and I wouldn't be in front of them every day teaching. Those are 3 really simple writing prompts that you can do for your kids. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. It really does help the channel. And if you really like this content, go ahead and like this video. If you have any awesome Black History Month writing prompts, go ahead and comment those down below. I want to have some more so that I can use them in my classroom too. This has been a woke black teacher, and remember, if not us, then who? Peace.